Hello everyone! Welcome to Marily's Voice Clinic, and tonight I'm with Attorney Nicolette Bambao. It's been a long time na hindi kami nagkita sa dami ng trabaho ni Attorney.
Magiging doktor na ako.
Oh, sa dami ng mga ganap kay Attorney, ngayon lang kami ulit nagkita. But anyway, since 1 month ba tayo din nagkita?
3 weeks nga lang, Coach.
3 weeks. Almost 1 month na rin yun. Matagal na rin yun. But anyway, let's go back to the lessons of the belting out. Okay. As always, no? Para lang maintindihan natin, ang belting out, ito yung pinaka-basic foundation ng pop singing.
Yep.
No? Ang lessons natin, naturally, pag sinabi nating belting out, it is the process of releasing one's natural voice. So in pop singing, we have to recognize the quality of the natural singing voice. Kasi most of the time kasi yun ang ating ginagamit. And then, of course, naturally, pag marunong na tayong gumamit ng tama at nare-recognize na natin yung quality ng natural singing voice. And that's the time we introduce the lessons of the chest tone. Application. Ito yung same din, no? You do the proper breathing, but you have to lessen the effort. Pag consistent na yung pag-lessen ng effort natin sa mga high notes, and that's the time we introduce the modulation lesson. It's the part of the vocal expressions. But that depends on the song na pinipili nating kantahin. And tonight, since nagkataon ng gustong kantahin ni Attorney ay We Have the Right Love at the Wrong Time. Ano bang title ng song niyan?
Somewhere Down the Road.
Somewhere Down the Road. So let's focus on the modulation lesson. Pwede na rin, Attorney, kasi way back years, ilang taon naman tayo sa lessons?
Ikaw lang, Coach. Siguro,
mabubuking ako sa edad ko nito. Mga 3 dekada.
Basta nag-start tayo, 15 ako. Uy, Coach, hindi naman 3 dekada. Para na mga 45 na.
Oh, 25 ka lang pala.
Mali pa yung computation ko pa.
Oh, mali pa yung computation ko. But anyway, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng ating reel.
Please don't forget
to subscribe Marily's Voice Clinic YouTube channel din po. And maraming salamat po sa mga subscribers natin. Ingat po kayo. Happy Thursday, everyone!
Happy Thursday!